Adding tests to the request. To open the Test tab, use the search field to search and add a test to the request. You can add a single test, or you can add a panel that contains multiple tests. Each test can include units, normal ranges, specimen type, price, and a website URL. If a URL has been added for the test, you can open it from the test list to learn more about what the test is used for, how it is interpreted, or what sample is required. The test list is managed from the test page, also called the lab test page. This is where you can add new test types or edit existing ones. For each test, you can set the test name, price, specimen type, SI unit, conventional unit, normal range, and parent test. The parent field is what allows the system to create test panels. A single test can stand alone, or it can be placed under a parent test. For example, you can create a full blood count test as a parent, then add children such as WBC, RBC, hemoglobin, platelets, and WBC differentials. The system can also work recursively, which means a child test can also become a parent for another group of tests. For example, full blood count can contain WBC differentials, and WBC differentials can contain neutrophil count, lymphocyte count, monocyte count, eosinophil count, and basophil count. When you add a parent test to a request, the system automatically brings in the child test under it. This saves time because the user can select the main panel once, and the system will show the full structure of tests that belong to that panel. If a test has a price, it can also be added to the bill automatically. You can choose between SI units and conventional units using the unit selector. This controls which unit and reference range is shown for the report. If you add the wrong test, use the delete icon beside the test to remove it before the request is completed or locked.